Dwi'n hoffi coffi.
Dwi ddim yn hoffi coffi.
Who there was the king of rock and roll? Who there? He made a lot of rules, but they took their toll. He never seen a rabbit, which was quite a laugh, 'cause he lived in a place called Deheubarth.
Deheubarth?
Why did you do that?
Sori bod fi'n hwyr. Mae traffig o Syffagen yn y bore. Iawn, croeso. Helo. Mynd a dod, coming and going. Louise. Ble ydych chi'n mynd ar y penwythnos?
Beth yw solicitors yn Gymraeg?
A cyfreithwyr.
Dwi'n mynd i'r hospice ac yna i'r cyfreithwyr ar y weekend.
Da iawn. A phob lwc. Liz. O le wyt ti'n dod?
Dwi'n dod o Derby.
Derby, nawr mae Derby'n bell. Derby, ti a fan hyn. A pam wyt ti moyn dysgu Cymraeg?
Achos...
Na, dim gitâr, please.
Achos...
Dim canu o chwaith, just dweud wrtha i, pam wyt ti moyn dysgu Cymraeg?
Achos... Mae...
Achos mae...
Achos... My boyfriend is an Elvis impersonator who only impersonates Elvis in Welsh, and he and his family refuse to speak to me in anything but their mother tongue.
Achos mae fy nghariad sy'n ddanwaredwr Elvis a'i deulu yn gwrthod siarad â mi nes i mi ddysgu mamiaeth ei gwlad. Okay. Beth am fideo bach?
No.